Okay, we've got our daily 5 factorising day 20. So we have 5 questions here. Pause it, have a go at the questions, and then watch the video to see what the answers are. Looking at the first one, we have a common factor. So we've got a common factor of -4. We're going to take that out the front, and then we'll be left with a, and that will become +2. +2 in the bracket, because we have -4 times +2 will give us -8. -4 times a gives us that -4a. Looking at the second one, we're looking at the first two terms. They have a common factor of m, so we can do m outside of a take 2. And then looking at the second two terms, we can take out a common factor of -5. So if we take out the -5, we'll be left with a positive a, and that'll give us the -2 here, because we've got -5 times -2 will give us the +10 that we're after. That means we then have that common bracket of a take 2, and in the second bracket will be the m take away 5. Here we've got a difference of 2 squares, so we can write that as 3m all squared minus 4n all squared. That means we can then write that as 3m take 4n in one bracket and 3m plus 4n in the other bracket. We've then got our monic quadratic, where we've got an a value of 1, b of 6, c of 5. So we're looking for what will multiply to give 5 but add to give 6. So that will be 5 and 1, which means we can put that straight in the bracket, m plus 5, m plus 1. Because it is that a equals 1, we're able to put those numbers straight into the brackets there. Then we've got 2x squared minus 7x plus 5. So we've got our a equals 2, b equals -7, c equals 6. So our ac is equal to 12, and our b is equal to -7. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give 12, but add to give -7. So to multiply to give a positive, we're going to need two negative numbers that then will add to give the negative. So if we use -4 and -3, they will multiply to give +12, but they'll add to give -7. So we then rewrite that 2x squared, take 4x, take 3x plus 6, and then factorise that. So we'll use that grouping method, looking at the first two terms, 2x outside of, x take away 2, and if we take a -3 out of that second bracket, we will get x take away 2 in the second bracket. And that means we can bring that to the front, and then we have our 2x take away 3 in the second bracket.